Porsche is offering a new premium suspension system as an option exclusively for the Panamera E-Hybrid models. Porsche Active Ride, which features active 2-valve shock absorbers and single-chamber air springs, regulates the forces of each individual damper actively, individually, and at lightning speed. In this way, it always achieves maximum driving comfort and performance for any given situation. The design is fundamentally different from regular adaptive systems and other active suspension concepts. Porsche Active Ride offers a unique driving experience that spans the entire spectrum of dynamic behavior, from the gliding comfort of a luxury sedan to the directness of response that's typical of a sports car. It delivers top marks in the disciplines of pitch and roll support, body stability, slow speed driving comfort, and handling performance. It also provides extensive additional functions. A Porsche is always the most dynamic car in its class, yet with its positioning as a luxury sedan, the requirements for an outstanding level of comfort are also particularly high in the Panamera. So Porsche has equipped the new Panamera with newly developed 2-valve air suspension as standard. The 2-valve technology enables the adaptive dampers to adjust the rebound and compression stages independently of each other. This considerably expands the breadth of chassis capabilities between that of a comfortable, gliding character and a decidedly high-performance setup. The technology makes it possible to switch from the tried and tested 3-chamber air spring to a lighter 2-chamber system with improved suspension performance. In addition, optimizations to the hydraulic mounts on the front axle, the rear axle beam bearings, and the wishbone bearings on the rear suspension ensure noticeably increased comfort when driving over bumps. With the new suspension, Porsche simultaneously achieves reduced body movements and improved body insulation. The 4-door sports car pitches and rolls less when braking and when driving through dips or over undulations and crests. The result is a faster, more sensitive chassis response and noticeably smoother suspension behavior. At the same time, the suspension has the potential to significantly increase the damping force in the rebound and compression directions depending on the situation, thereby optimizing the car's performance. This is particularly evident in fast cornering. In addition, the new air spring with optimal valve control reduces the energy consumption of the suspension. What are your thoughts? Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and click the link below for the extended version.